Paul, good job, direct. We love it. And we want to thank Columbia Digital and Nikon Philippines for making us the photographers first time to be in front of the camera. Pero it's really hard, It's really hard for us. Napansin niyo ba lahat ng mga nandito sa video na doon sa likod? Anyway, thank you. And that's a job well done. Very beautiful. Superb. Can't say anything else. Ganda ng editing. I hope the people here appreciate what we have done here. And expect more of this coming from the group. Yep. Not just for the professionals, not just for the pros, but also be also helping out the amateurs, the wannabes, the enthusiasts. So everybody's welcome here at Elite. We have a photography program here also. So thank you again for the Columbia Digital, especially to Sir Anderson. Thank you.
Thank you, Sander. Maybe go on Direct Paul to say something about all seller, how you feel this out. Actually, mga 30 years namin niluto 30 days.
Good evening. Thank you, everyone, for being here and being part of this event from your Nikon family. The idea behind this, yung pinag-usapan namin ito nung mga sila Mr. Anderson, Ernest, was to basically, well, more than just to push the brand, was to put the faces behind the brand. The people who use the camera, the experts behind the cameras. The idea was to put it there, introduce the team, and at the same time, push the brand. So, sana you continue to support not just the brand, but pros, and to continue to support the passion and the art of photography.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Now we open the floor for any questions, and any objections or donations if there is anything. This is the time for us to pwede magtanong yung mga kaibigan natin sa press. By the way, salamat sa ating mga kaibigan sa press. We have people from the Nikon Club Philippines, mga officers ng Nikon Club Philippines. Very active naman yan in pushing our brand. So, may we invite any questions on the floor? Any queries? Huwag lang proposals sa kanina. Can I invite Mr. Anderson Dan to come over here for if there is anything that baka hindi ko masagot sa wala. Ako magtatanong. Gusto niyo na kumain?
There's a lady here.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, this campaign is actually going to be an online viral campaign. Of course, it's too long to be a TV commercial, no? But hopefully, in the future, maybe one, who knows, Mr. Direct Paul. But this is going to be posted in our official site and in YouTube, Mayo. So the objective of the campaign is to, as I mentioned by Direct Paul, is really to support mainly the art of photography and the growing craft of videography. Because nowadays, DSLR is not just for still shots. We know that it's being used by hobbyists and professionals like Direct Paul Dixon in their profession on the side. So this video has been shot 100% using Nikon system. 7,000.